The Public Workers Union is advocating that all members who have been in contact with a known COVID-19 case at their workplace or department to immediately remove themselves and self-isolate. This follows reports of a worker collapsing in the Ministry of Education with symptoms related to COVID-19 and the exponential increase in active cases.
Whereas there have been reports of supervisors asking workers to come to work, even though they are exposed, once they are asymptomatic, they are asking them to report to work.
PW President Brian Grimes says the union is concerned that there is no set policy for public officers.
Grenada Public Workers Union is asking its workers in the strongest possible way and terms to exit themselves from places that there have been reports and confirmation of cases in those workplaces.
When contacted with the concerns raised by the PWU, government indicated to GBN on Wednesday that it maintains the guidance issued by the Ministry of Health, which recommends to anyone who has reason to believe that they might have been exposed to isolate and stay home, call the COVID-19 hotline and monitor their condition carefully. Government says a team of senior managers met on Wednesday to discuss recommendations for adjusting public service operations amidst the surge. These recommendations have been sent to policymakers for consideration and decision-making. The statement said that in the interim, there is existing guidance that departmental managers can adopt certain response mechanisms as the need arises. Addressing government's response, Public Relations Officer Daisy Hazard notes the lack of collaboration and communication between the union and government.
It burdened me. Because if GBN, a media house, was able to get a response from the government yesterday on our press conference speaking about COVID-19 in the workplace, why it is that we at the union level have been knocking on doors for so long and we have not been able to get a response. This is the million-dollar question that we had to ponder after looking at the GBN news, especially last night.
A major concern for the union is workers having to use public transportation to avail themselves of the testing facilities. I am Gerard Joseph for GBN News.